Do you know you can create full studio quality songs with AI vocals, with professional arrangement and custom genre, and even edit the stems as well. And that too without knowing music theory or without hiring a producer. Just listen to some of these songs.
Can you feel it rising, rising? Like a dream on a lights and shore. Tell me that you see me like no one could between us.
All of these high quality songs were created using this AI tool which is called Mureka AI. And today in this video I'm going to test this AI music platform, and we are going to build real songs live, not just beats, not 10-second snippets, full productions. And I want to see if this AI tool is actually usable for creators or not. So if you are a YouTuber like myself, or maybe AI video creator, or indie game developer, or a startup founder, or even building an AI app, music is one of the hardest part of the process. You either spend hours searching for stock libraries, or risk copyright issues, or pay a composer. But AI music is evolving from an experimental toy into something that feels like a real production tool. So today I'm going to test if Murika AI is actually usable in a real creator workflow. So Murika AI is basically an AI music engine that turns simple text prompts or lyrics or even reference tracks into full songs. And I'm not talking about some short instrumental loops. We are talking about full structure, intro, verse, chorus, AI vocals, proper management, and even editing controls as well. So let's just quickly start with something simple. So if you just click on this create music button, and you can just describe your song. So in this first demo, I just want to create emotional cinematic song about building the future with AI, uplifting, powerful chorus, and modern production. These are my instructions that I have just mentioned in this prompt. I can add further instructions as well. I can maybe ask you to just make this as an instrumental. I can even provide reference or vocals as well, and even provide the inspiration as well. But let's just consider that. But let's just start with something simple, and let just AI do rest of the work. So this is the simple prompt. So I'll simply just click on this create button. You can see I didn't choose any of these options from here. So I have just directly clicked on this create button. So we are totally relying on AI based on like our prompt. So AI is actually going to create this song, but it will actually create two different versions of this song. So let's just wait for it to finish creating this song. So the song is ready with both of these versions. Let me just play the first one.
Are drawn on a digital loom where logic ignites in a cold quiet room, a spark in the circuit, a pulse in the clay.
Okay, it looks really polished. I mean, it looks a proper song. There is intro, verse, chorus, verse, and then you can see it. This song is like a proper structured, a proper polished song. Let's just see the second version of this song, which might be slightly different than the first version.
Are drawn on a digital loom where logic.
Yeah, it looks amazing. It looks fully polished. And in fact, now we can generate video for this song as well, but we'll come to that later. And now, even if you want to edit this song, you can simply just click on this edit button, and you can do the region editing, or maybe extend this song, or maybe trim this song. And by the way, one most important thing, the vocals doesn't look like AI generated. It looks very natural, and it looks like a proper thing. It doesn't look AI generated at all. the whole production of both of these songs feels very layered. Now think about this. If you're launching an AI startup, you could generate your own launch anthem. Or if you're creating YouTube videos, you could generate your own intro theme instead of using the generic background music. And if you're a creative person like me and you're building a game, you can generate a word specific soundtrack. All these different use cases are now coming to my mind. But now let's just test something more emotional. Let's create something more personalized. So I've just entered this prompt for a baby song. So the baby's name is Ayan, and the song should be gentle, warm, comforting, and about growing up brave and kind. So that's what this whole song is about. So what I'm going to do, again, I'm not just going to add anything. I'm not just going to like make it sound complex for you. I'm just going to click on create, and now let's just see what AI comes up with based on just this simple prompt. So the both versions of this song is ready, and you can see this song is 4 minutes and 16 seconds. So both of these versions have equal same length. Let me just click on this. Nice, not bad. Nice. Like, it doesn't look AI generated at all, seriously. It looks very natural, very real, like someone actually just sang that song. It just looks super real, seriously amazing. Let's just have a look at the second version. Let me just go back, click on this. Nice. Again, like both of these versions are amazing, very natural, looks real, looks like a proper, like a real person actually sang both of these versions. So it looks amazing. This is seriously powerful because now AI music becomes memory creation. So that's amazing. You can create personalized birthday songs, or maybe growth songs, or anniversary songs, even theme music for your own life moments. And honestly, this connects to something bigger. Music doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be personal, and AI makes that possible at scale. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Murika AI also has this melody to song feature as well, where you can either like record a singing, or maybe upload an audio file, or maybe just share the YouTube link of your favorite song. And Murika AI can transform that idea into fully arranged song with AI vocals. This feature is huge for people who have ideas but they don't have production skills. And if you ever had a melody in your head but didn't know how to turn it into a real song, this basically removes that barrier. To me, this particular feature feels more like Cursor, that AI code editor, but for AI music generation. So you can describe it or simply just like sing it in your own voice, and it builds the full system around it. Now let's talk about something that most AI music generation tools just don't give you, which is control. So inside Murika AI, you can adjust tempo, volume, and timbre. And more importantly, you can export stems. That means separate vocals and separate instrumentals. You can just open your song and then just click on this 3 dots button. And from here, you can just go to this download section. And from here, you can download instrumental and stems. Or even you can just download in WAV format, or just download the commercial license and even download it into MP3 format as well. This is honestly a big deal because now this is not just a toy generator. So you can take the stems into Premiere, Final Cut, CapCut, or even a professional music software and then mix it properly. And that makes it usable in real workflow. Now let's just quickly zoom out for a second. Imagine this pipeline. You generate a script using AI, then you generate visuals using AI, then you generate the voiceover, and now you generate custom music using Murika. And that's a complete AI content creation stack. AI visuals deserve AI music. And if you're building faceless YouTube channels, AI animations, short films, indie games, or startup promo videos, music is always the bottleneck. And honestly, searching the stock music, that kills the momentum. This honestly removes that friction. And because the music is generated uniquely, you're not dealing with the copyright claims from reused stock tracks. The music generated with Murika AI is totally original. Now, who do I think this is really powerful for? So I believe this tool is really powerful for AI video creators, indie developers, VTubers who want original theme songs, startup founders who are launching their products, content creators who want unique background music instead of that generic tracks, especially if you want your content to stand out, because stock music sounds like stock music, custom music sounds intentional. So if you want to try it yourself, you can just download the Murika app or visit their website. I have added the links in description. If you experiment with it, tag me. I am genuinely curious what kind of music you will create. And to be honest, AI music is no longer experimental. It's becoming production ready, and honestly, this is just the beginning. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.